Today, I'll be demonstrating some different forms of naloxone that our program has distributed throughout the course of the time that we've been doing naloxone distribution. The first one that I'll be doing is the injectable version, which we used to give out in the fit packs, which were a little tricky to open, but inside the fit pack, you would get the nasal version. This is the intranasal version of naloxone, where you had the atomizer, you had the syringe that you actually administered the naloxone in, and you actually had the tube of naloxone. And how you actually administered this is you would take the yellow cap off and the yellow cap off the bottom of the syringe. You would take the purple top off of the dose of naloxone. You would screw it in like this. You'd attach the atomizer, and it's ready to use. So you would tilt the person's head back, and you would take the atomizer and the syringe, and you would inject it into the person's nose, one side. At one time it was only about 2 milligrams, so you would have to affix the second dose of naloxone to administer. If the person didn't come around within that 1 to 2 minute time period, you would administer it the same way. You would pop off all the colorful tabs, the purple cap on top of the naloxone, affix the atomizer, tilt the head back, and you would inject it the same way.